You're wiped out by 2 p.m., even after 8 hours of sleep. In Orlando, your workouts stall and the weight sits on your belly. That's not just summer heat wearing you down. Ignore it, and the fatigue doesn't stay put. Muscle mass drops, brain fog thickens, and your mood flattens out. Men near Waterford Lakes blame the 408 commute, but low testosterone keeps building underneath. Some Orlando clinics near International Drive hand out prescriptions with no blood work at all. Svelte medical weight loss. East Orlando runs full labs first. Total testosterone, free testosterone, estradiol, PSA. A board-certified doctor reads every number before you get a plan. One low reading isn't enough. We run 2 separate morning blood draws, fasting, before 10 a.m. A rough night's sleep can skew one test, so we confirm your real baseline. If your labs come back normal, we don't push treatment you don't need. When they don't, you choose weekly injections or rice-sized hormone pellets placed near the hip. Pellets release testosterone for months, so trail runs and gym days don't wait on a needle. Stop guessing about your energy and focus. Svelte medical weight loss. East Orlando runs the labs and builds your protocol with a physician, not a form. Call us or book online to get checked in Orlando today.